Only a technology called digital flight control could transform this into this. The incredible Falcon 7x. With a range of over 5,900 of the quietest, smoothest, most comfortable miles you've ever flown. Non-stop from your home to a world of markets. And its slower takeoff and landing speeds give you access to hundreds of smaller airports than other business jets its size. Its easy flight deck combines the intuitive feel of a fighter jet with the most advanced avionics and computer backups. And for all this technology and luxury, the 7X is also the class leader in fuel efficiency, low emissions, low cost of operation, and, of course, Falcon's acknowledged leadership in lasting quality and retained value. The incredible Falcon 7X. Suddenly, the sky is made of silk.
One for high level One for high level
These days, if you want to go from New York to London in the fastest possible time, then you need to come here. Teterboro Airport, a few miles west of Manhattan, and you'll need one of these, a Falcon 7x business jet.
Runway 24 clear for takeoff, wind calm, report brakes release.
Okay, takeoff runway 24, brake release, 3, 2, 1, 0. Takeoff power set, acceleration point 27 normal. Airspeed alive. And for 80 knots check. Stop. Same. V1, rotate. Positive brake. Gear up. Gear up selected.
Here, we want to set a door-to-door time from the two financial centres that's hours quicker than any current airliner, a key strength of business jets. How fast? How about New York to London in under 6 hours? For this, you need a better help from the elements and a very fast plane.
So we are cruising at flight level 290, a little more now than 0.87 Mach. We are close to 0.88 Mach, because as long as the flight is going, we will speed up little by little, close to the maximum speed, which will be 0.9. The wind is also expected. We have something like 100 knots, 90 knots tailwind, so give us something like 620 knots ground speed.
Our destination, London City Airport, is uniquely central and surrounded by the tall buildings of the financial district.
We want to make better than 6 hours.
And to beat that 6-hour target, we need a better help.
Foxtrot, reduce speed now 160 knots or less. 160 knots or less, Foxtrot to Foxtrot.
Not less. Yeah, 159. 160 or less. Not less, 160.
On a spit of land in the Thames, London City Airport is truly challenging, but not for the 7X. It's one of the few aircraft even able to make this flight, and the only one which is capable of making the return leg non-stop. What the record flight is proving to us is just how business jets can take you closer to your final destination. But even still, is our target of 6 hours just too ambitious? Can we set a record? The clock is ticking.
You're clear to land.
300. 200. 50. 30. 10.
5h54. Yahoo!
Yeah!
You made it!
Low left to the 97 Right to 97.
Backtrack the Delta.